let's draw with me. First, let's draw the eyes. The dinosaur is standing a little sideways, so we draw one big oval eye and one smaller oval eye on the other side of its face. Now let's draw the big black part of the eyes. With your marker or pencil, draw two little empty circles inside the eyes. Don't rush. Now color around the circles with black. Don't color the white parts of the eyes. Can you draw with me at the same time? Wow! Look at those eyes! Now draw two little lines for the nose and a half circle for the mouth. Draw a half circle for the head. Make its cute cheek a little puffy. Great! Now add the little plates on top of its head. Wow, so cute! Follow my lines. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Great job! We draw its arms very easily. To draw its belly, make a half circle like this. Now fill it in with neat lines. draw the plates on its back just like the ones on its head. And draw a few ovals on its skin. So cute! To show under its tail, I draw this line, and then draw even lines like on its belly. Well done! Now use any colors you like to color it. I'm coloring its body blue, and color its plates light blue. And color the ovals dark blue. Did you like this drawing? If you liked it, wait for the next drawings. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.